Welcome to our Coco.
Yay!
We are a group of first-year students from the National University of Laos, Faculty of Economics and Business Administration, majoring in Business Management. And this is the Coco. We are a creative and environmentally driven team with a big passion for sustainability, design, and innovation. The name The Coco represents what we believe in, turning something that's been used or thrown away into something meaningful, beautiful, and new. Our focus is on wood waste. We give it a second life by transforming into unique, purposeful products that not only look good for the planet. For us, this isn't just about design, it's about creating solutions that respect nature, reduce waste, and inspire change. So in this video, we are going to show you how we bring ideas to life, what drives our work, and why sustainability matters to us and to the world. Welcome to the Coco, where creativity meets responsibility. But first, what is wood waste? Wood waste refers to leftover or unwanted wood materials that are discarded during various activities such as construction and demolition, scraps, broken pallets, offcuts, furniture making, trimming, sawdust, damaged pitches, tree trimming or forestry, branches, bark, stumps, packaging and shipping. Use wooden case pallets. Allow wood waste including sawdust and scrap is a significant component of overall solid waste. Specifically, wood and bamboo account for approximately 38.2% of the waste composition in Laos. Laos increased to 1.4 million tons by 2035. The waste generation rate in Laos cities varies between 0.7 and 1.4 kilograms per person per day. When wood waste is thrown away instead of reused or recycled, more trees must be cut down to meet demand. This leads to deforestation, loss of wildlife habitats, climate change, landfill overload, air pollution from burning. Since sometimes wood waste is burned to get rid of it, especially in construction, which produces air pollution, releases carbon dioxide and other toxic gases, especially if the wood is treated or painted, wasting the energy and water used to grow, cut, and transport it. Increasing the need for more raw materials which put extra pressure on forests. That's why we, the Coco, believe that every ending holds the promise of a new beginning. In a world increasingly burdened by environmental challenges, our project takes a bold step toward reimagining waste not as a problem but as potential. The Coco focuses on the transformation of wood waste, giving discarded materials a second life through innovative design, sustainable practices, and circular thinking. Wood, a one living material, deserves more than a one-time use. By collecting and repurposing wood waste, we aim to reduce environmental impact, conserve natural resources, and inspire a shift in how society perceives waste. Each piece we reclaim tells a story, and through our work, we give that story a meaningful continuation. For instance, our project focuses on the coconut sheath, the outer part of the coconut tree that is usually thrown away. Most people see it as waste, but we see potential. Instead of letting it go to waste, we turn this natural material into strong, clean, and reusable bowls and plates that we save for food use. The Coco is not just about recycling, it's about redefining value. Waste is not the end, it's our beginning. Our goal is to reduce the environmental impact of wood waste and protect the planet by repurposing it into functional items such as furniture, decor, and everyday objects. We aim to extend the life cycle of natural materials, preventing it from being thrown away, promote sustainable living and circular design, raise awareness about the value hidden in what society often considers waste, encouraging people to choose sustainable, natural-based solutions. We are doing this because we believe waste management and conscious production are essential to a more sustainable future. Our work helps reduce deforestation, lower carbon emissions, and inspire others to rethink consumption and waste. By giving new life to discarded wood, we contribute to a healthier planet and a more mindful, creative society. The Coco is a new way to help. We use what seems like a waste to make something good. We turn coconut waste into useful things by using coconut sheath, which is the outer layer of the coconut tree trunk. This part is usually thrown away, but at the Coco, we use it to make something new. We do not use plastic or anything bad for the earth. Everything is natural and safe. We make bowls and plates from coconut sheath. They are strong, beautiful, and 100% natural. They are safe to use with food. Each piece is special. No two are the same. They are made with care by hand and handmade machinery. Every place tells a story of nature, love, and reuse. Not only that, our work also supports local people. The processes to make our product is: first, we clean the coconut sheath, then we heat it in the oven for 30 seconds at 150 degrees Celsius. After that, we mix cassia starch with water and put it in a spray bottle. These mixtures work like glue. We press the coconut husk into a mold to make the shape. Then we spray the starch water and press it again in the heating machine for 1 minute. The machine can heat from 25 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius and can be set to the right time. This way is safe, natural, and good for the earth. Also, it costs less to make than to import. With this, we can help reducing organic waste. Coconut sheath is often thrown away just like wood upcuts or sawdust. By using it, we are preventing natural materials from ending up in landfill or being burned. We also protecting forest by using coconut sheath instead of cutting down trees for wooden products. Help reduce the demands for timber, which help fight deforestation. Therefore, we offering a plastic-free alternative since coconut-based plates and bowls can replace plastic or paper tableware, reducing plastic pollutions and tree-based disposable products. Not only that, it also help lower carbon footprint. With reusing coconut sheath means less energy is used compared to producing new plastic or wooden products from raw materials. The Coco project strongly aligned with Survival United Nations Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs. The Coco supports SDG 12, SDG 13, SDG 15, and SDG 9. For the SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, promoting sustainable use of natural resources and reducing waste. The project repurposes coconut sheath, a part of the coconut tree that is typically discarded as a raw material for creating reusable, eco-friendly bowls and plates. By doing so, the Coco extends the life cycle of natural materials and prevents them from being thrown away or burned. The production process is free from plastic and chemicals, aligning with sustainable practices that minimize environmental harm. Additionally, by encouraging consumers to choose biodegradable, handmade products over disposable or synthetic alternatives. The Coco fosters more mindful, responsible consumption habits and contributes to a circular economy where waste is seen as a resource, not a burden. SDG 13 Climate Action. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions through sustainable production methods and waste reduction. By using discarded coconut sheath instead of harvesting new resources and producing plastic, the product helps lower the carbon footprint associated with manufacturing and deforestation. Unlike plastic or chemical-treated products, the Coco's items are 100% natural and biodegradable, which means they do not contribute to long-term pollution or carbon-intensive waste management practices. Additionally, by encouraging eco-conscious consumptions and raising awareness about sustainable alternatives, the Coco inspires individuals and communities to take small but meaningful steps steps toward climate action and environmental protection. SDG 15 Life on Land. Additionally, the Coco empowers local communities by creating job opportunities and supporting ethical, small-scale production, helping to protect and preserve natural ecosystems through the sustainable use of agricultural byproducts. By repurposing coconut shears, the Coco reduces the need to extract new resources like wood, helping to each preserve for forest and prevent deforestation. This practice supports biodiversity by minimizing land degradation and the destruction of habitats. Additionally, by promoting biodegradable, chemical-free products, the Coco avoids soil and water contamination often caused by plastic or treated waste. Through its commitment to nature-based solutions, the project encourages the responsible use of land resources while highlighting the hidden barrier of what is often overlooked as waste. SDG 9 Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. While helping raise public awareness about environmental responsibility by promoting sustainable and inclusive innovation in product design and local manufacturing. By transforming coconut shears, a material typically discarded, into functional, eco-friendly bowls and plates, the Coco introduces a creative, low-impact alternative to plastic and wood-based products. The use of hand-operated and simple machinery supports small-scale production systems that are accessible, affordable, and environmentally friendly. This approach encourages the development of local, sustainable industry that foster innovative while minimizing environmental harm. The Coco demonstrates that industrial projects can be both eco-conscious and community-driven, paving the way for greener infrastructure and more responsible manufacturing practices. This is our flowchart, the Coco. So everything begins with identifying the root problem, which included overconsumption and wood waste. From there, we define our vision and mission to extend the life cycle of natural materials and raise awareness, aiming to promote sustainability. This leads us to our strategies, taking global responsibility aligned with the SDGs. Based on the strategies, we take actions, creating products that are handmade and sustainable and using recycled waste. These actions are guided by our values and goals to support SDGs and encourage people to choose sustainable options. As a result, we create impacts by empowering local communities, encouraging innovations, and respecting natural resources. You don't have to be perfect to protect the earth, you just have to care. You just have to begin. A plate made from coconut waste won't change the world in one day, but is it a small step that matters? It shows love, action, and hope. Start with the Coco. Let's make good things from what's left behind together. When we cut one tree, we cut one breath of the earth.